So this is the before and this is the after. No, sorry, this is the before, this is the after, this is the before, and this is the after. So I'm going to delete this layer over here by holding delete key in the keyboard or hitting delete. Okay, sorry, delete. So what I'm going to do, usually some people they usually select the background. They usually select the place they want to change the color. But what I'm going to do, I want to select. I've already made the selection of the model. So what I'm going to do now is to hold click control on the keyboard and click on the selected model. Then I want to go to my, if I go to my hue and saturation, you see that the model will change. If I click on colorize, you see that it's only affecting the model, not the background. But watch this. Delete this. Yes, delete. So watch this. So if I make a selection of the model right now, click and yeah. So what I'm going to do, I want to invert the selection in such a way that if I invert it by holding Ctrl Shift I, it will only make a selection of the background. Watch this. So now I want to go to your hue and saturation, click on colorize, then now watch. You can see it's only the background that's been selected. As easy as that. So that's how you can increase saturation if you want. To make it realistic, just make it natural. If you want to choose the color, the same color of the models, this place, you understand? Let me zoom it. Yeah, this purple color, but it's not exactly that purple. Sure. Okay. So this is how you change the background in Photoshop. So I hope this video was useful to you guys. If it was, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. I'll see you next, and don't forget to keep on creating and stay tuned.